This is a 11 by 17 scale. I use a 1.5 inch equal foot. Okay, so find the layout. Make sure I need to make this is a front view, top view, and a side view. It's there. As more picture as possible. Okay, you have enough information. Convert inch to foot, 32 and a quarter, 32 and a quarter, convert to 2 foot 8.25 inch. Okay, so convert it to foot, and this is a symmetry shape. Symmetry, which is a okay. Here's center line. Okay, center line. Still always consider center. This part should be match. Okay, should be match. Okay. It's very light, barely see. You can see that. That's it. Okay. If you barely see, you don't have to erase. If you push too hard, you have to erase later, maybe. Okay. Yeah. But for me, for demonstrate, I'm going to push. Use a 1/2 inch scale. From the center. So this is center line. Always consider center line for this one. Okay, so you can barely see this line. Okay, it's lighter than this one. Only you can see that. That's it. Okay, I said I push this one a little bit harder. Okay, so this one you have to measure this one. Give it a guideline from bottom line here, bottom line from bottom. I'm going to work in bottom line. Make a guideline. For the guideline. Okay. Okay. You barely see that. Then I find a height. This one over 2 foot 7.25. 2 foot 7.25. Use a scale. Scale 2 foot 7.25. This side, okay. 2 foot 7.25. I find 1, 2, 2 foot here 7. 2 foot 1, 2, 2 foot. Height or 2 foot 7.25. That's correct. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.25 until here. Perfect. From here, good. So find the 7.25. Take a look at. Talking about 7.25 unit. 1, 2. Here count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7.25. Okay, 7.25. So now I've kind of from here. Yeah, 1, 2, 6, 7.25. Correct. Okay. Then I make a guideline. Guideline. Here. I'm going to apply from all the way here towards here. This is my side view. Okay, my side view. Okay, then width, which is 2 for the 8.25. 2 for the 8.25. Okay, 2 foot 8 and a quarter. So 1, 2, 6, 7, 8 and a quarter. Okay. Okay. 1. Okay. Right line. All the way up. This side. Right line. Perfect. Then give you enough space. Give you enough space. I have the depth. That's 2 foot 8 and a quarter. Same number with this one. 2 foot 8 and a quarter. 1.5. Okay. 2 foot. 1, 2. 2 foot.
I thought you said we had to do some subtraction or something for depth because it wasn't the same number.
That's depend on this number. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 2 foot 8 and a quarter.
Oh, the seat depth.
Yeah, see the depths. Be careful. Okay, it's different than overall depth.
Okay.
Yeah, depend on that seat depth or overall depth. That's different.
Okay.
Okay. Move it. Okay. Here. Here. Perfect. Good. The next one, I need to make sure this depth, side view, same size. Same size, you still can measure, or you can use this one. I'm not sure this is big enough. So this is more accurate. Okay, more accurate. Oh, that's perfect. See this size. See that? This size. Okay, perfect. I transfer to here. See? Same size. This one I can guarantee 100% make sure that's same size. Okay, even if you draw this one a little bit offset, doesn't matter. So I measure here, same size. Okay. Okay. Here, perfect. Okay, I got an overall. Front, side, top. Okay, I 100% make sure that. So this one I got an overall layout like this. We can measure from floor, from base. 17 and a half inch. Okay, here 17 and a half. Okay. 17 and a half, you have to convert it to 1 foot. 17, 1 foot is 1 foot 5 and a half. 1 foot 5.5 inch, right? Okay. 1 foot 5.5 inch. 1 foot 5.5 inch. Okay. Okay. Got it. Here. Great. Yeah, same size. Make sure. Okay. I make this one. Take a look at. This is this shape. Okay, I make this shape. This dash line. I make a dash line, which means, so this chair here, this side is solid. Okay, you find a chair picture, maybe some chair which is open arm or without arm. So this one with arm. Okay, you can see the shape. Okay, so now I'm not going to. I don't have a exactly number this one. I don't have. Okay. So this time I can do this. I said I can think about a proportion. Let me see. Oh, that's pretty close to my joint. Take a look at. Okay. Okay. So I said just the close. I cannot trace that. Don't trace that. So this one I just give you proportion. Okay, give you proportion. So which means I'm not trace that. Okay, I'm not trace that. So this is very close, very close. Okay, I just random. Take a look at. I can mark down roughly. Here, here, here. That's it. Okay. The top maybe lower. Maybe this one lower. Just a proportion. Okay. Yeah. Right now, I roughly. I cannot tell you exact number. Okay. Even I don't know exact number. So this one's from my experience. So this one typical. So this is maybe 6 inch. Yeah, that's pretty good. 6 inch. That's a 6 inch base. Mark down. Then on the top, well, that's pretty good. That's 2 foot, total 4 inch. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Then, and also the frame. I just roughly. Frame size. Frame size is from this one, 1, 2, 3. Maybe 1.5 inch. Okay, 1.5 inch. Frame, the metal frame size, maybe 1.5 inch. 2 inches too much, maybe. 2 inches too much, maybe 1.5 inch. More reasonable, 1.5 inch. 2 inch, 1.5 inch, more reasonable. Okay. Okay, so working from side view, 1.5 inch. Okay, so top to here.
The computer.
And 4. Okay, so this one is arm. I make a guideline. Oops. Upside down. Okay. Okay, so this one from here, arm. I work in same time. See, I transfer to here. Okay, same my time. I make a little bit longer. This is just the guideline. Okay, button. This is 6 inch. Okay. So I said the base. I'm gonna use a 1.5 inch. Let's see. 1 inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 inch. 1 inch, that's okay. 1 inch. 1 inch. Okay, here 1 inch. Okay, so this part give it 1 inch. Okay. And line. Serious drawing, okay, serious. Same time. See, I make this part. Now I'm going to working for cushion. Working for cushion size, take a look at how I make a, I can see here a little bit. Okay, I can do this. I can stick out this one little bit. Yeah, you can see here, this picture, I just show you the cushion stick out a little bit. Okay, but I don't think that's overall typical still from here typical. That's cushion maybe slide a little bit outside. Okay, slide. Okay, start from here. I still use this number. And also, typical chair, make sure typical chair is not 100% keep level. If that keep level, that's maybe uncomfortable. Maybe tilt a little bit more comfortable, right? Okay. So this time, for design, I'm not talking about furniture design. For furniture design, it will give you exactly number. I want a 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree, or 4.5. Okay, I'm not decided that. Okay, so I just tilt a little bit. See that? Tilt a little bit. But you tilt a little bit, make sure you have to use two triangle. Make sure. Okay, so you have to make sure 100% make sure that's parallel. Okay, that's parallel. That's parallel. I tilt a little bit. Take a look at. I tilt like this. Okay, down a little bit. Just right down a little bit. Okay, down a little bit like this. Okay, just a little bit like this. Okay, so take a look at it. Maybe somebody said, I cannot see. Here's nothing. Because you have to tilt that. You have to make a guideline here. Later, you can transfer to top. Okay, so from here, I can, yeah, you can make a solid line. You can make a dashed line. This doesn't matter. Okay. So I tilt a little bit, it's more comfortable, typical, okay? It's not 100% flat, okay? I'm not discuss how many degree. Okay, see? I just read and make it some guideline. Okay, perfect. See this line? Okay. And also, so this part from your eyeboard, okay, so here's cushion size. Cushion size, the cushion, I can roughly, I'm not discussing exact number, so this one roughly until here. Okay, cushion, or you can see that I still can use just, I don't know exact number. Okay, so here to here, I cannot tell you number. This is 3, 6, maybe 6 inch. Okay, roughly 6 inch. Okay, roughly 6 inch. Okay, until okay, here. Let me see, this is, I guess, push back a little bit, 6, 5, maybe 5, okay, yeah. Okay, maybe 5, now I use this ruler, okay, I make this one. I need to make sure this is a parallel. Okay, so I need to make sure this move parallel. Okay, until here. Good, that's parallel. Okay, very light. Great. Slide a little bit. The next one, take a look at it. This is why the cushion, I tilt a little bit more comfortable, and also typical cushion, that's I give you an idea, that's 90 degree. So this part, which is 90 degree, sometimes 90 degree, okay, 90 degree, you can do this. I'll give you an idea. Let me see. Oh, like this. Take a look. If you are on a 90 degree, this one like this, this one like this, that's 100% 90 degree. Okay, so take a look and move like this, that's 90 degree. Okay, cushion top, I make a little bit longer, easy for me to make a reference line. Okay, here slide, stick out a little bit. Just slide, okay. Okay, perfect. See? Guideline. Okay. Now next step, I'm going to decide the I have the working same type, the arm size. The arm. Okay, arm size. Arm size so this is not 100% match, okay, but I just for reference maybe
As long as they match on the paper on all three, right?
yeah, you have to match all three. You have to match. So this is maybe 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 inch. 3 inch. 3 inch roughly like this. This size. This is shoe 3 inch like this is shoe. Maybe okay. Okay, 3 inch. Yeah. Okay, so this one 3 inch. Okay, let's see 3. I double check this one. Double check that. Double check 3 inch. 3 inch should be okay. Okay, here to here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 inch. So here 1, 2, 3. 3 inch. Maybe okay. Yeah. Okay, 3 inch. Okay. And the next step, I'm going to make it vertical line 3 inch. Okay. Okay, 3 inch. Okay, make a vertical line with 3 inch. 3 inches should be okay here. From here all the way to the top. Okay, all the way to the top. 3 inch. 3 inch. Okay. This side 3 inch. 3 inch. Okay, so this is really important 3 inch from here. So this part is still 3 inch, make sure. This part. Here. 3 inch also.
The back.
Yeah, back. Okay. Same number. Okay, same number. So I need to know that 3 inch. So this part. 3 inch. Look here. 3 inch. 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. 3 inch. Yeah. I need to know this number, 3 inch, roughly. Okay, 3 inch, I can make a guideline. So this is a frame. Okay, this is a 3 inch frame, 3 inch. And after 3 inch, I can make so now I can make a back. So this, I need to see through that. Okay, back. The back, same thing. I said the back, take a look at back. I'm not quite sure. This back, maybe sometimes the back and the cushion not exactly 90 degree. Maybe not 90 degree. Like this is not 100%, maybe tilt a little bit. Okay, no, it's not 100% 90 degree. 90 degree maybe uncomfortable. A little bit tilt a little bit. Make sense? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This one. I need so first I roughly I have this one, so this is exactly parallel. So this is 90 degree to go. This is 90 degree, maybe not 90 degree. Tilt a little bit. See that? Okay, tilt a little bit. This is 90 degree. I don't want a 90. I'm not quite sure exact number. I can put this one. So I can do this. Here trick. I try to make this one match this angle. Take a look at. I just match this angle. I need to make sure this one. Take a look at here trick. I need to make sure this is it. See that? I match this angle. I just match the angle. See that? Okay. Perfect. Match the angle. See? Up to here. Make sure this back past this point. The back, I make it 3-inch. This one, match this angle. Okay. Back a little bit. Perfect. Okay, make a guideline. So this is why guideline is really important. See, I make a guideline. Okay, I make this line a little bit longer later. Help me to manipulate. Make it a little bit longer. So this just to provide you angle. Okay, provide you angle, and also depth for this cushion. This cushion. This part might not exactly match this size. Okay, so this size could be thicker. Roughly from my eyeball, roughly look like a double 3, maybe 6, maybe 6. 6 too much. 6 too, maybe 5. Okay, 5. I just roughly 5. Okay, roughly 5. Okay, roughly 5. Roughly 5. Okay. Let's see. That's 6, 5. Probably that's enough. I do see this one. Probably it's enough. Okay. 5. Okay. So now I need to make this parallel line. Parallel line with this one. Parallel. Okay, parallel. Low tier. Perfect. Okay. Then I need to make this line. So for this chair, this is a little bit organic shape, but from theory that's a square. Okay, that's a square. Okay, I need to make this one. Let's see. Okay. I need to shift my ruler. So sometimes if you use a T-square, maybe more use T-square. Okay. Yep. Something. So I need to make sure here's match this line. Perfect. Okay. Then shift this one down. Okay. Got it. I'll make this shape. So right now, what I get overall the back cushion, and this is the overall shape for arm. Any question? Okay, so this we can see through that. This is really important. This is why. Okay, if you are not see through that, we cannot keep working this one. I don't know where to stop. If you just compare with the top view, front view, you cannot find. So this is why I need this. Just to keep the proportion. Okay, keep proportion. Okay. So next step. So working this view. This view is very important. Working side view. Okay. So my chair look like a pretty simple square shape. Okay, but still a lot of details. Okay.
So would it be better to do side view first to make sure?
Side view is for dependent project. For me, side view first is very important for side view. Okay, because side view, I know the depth for back. I can work it later. You cannot work in top. It's not working. Okay, so working side view provided more information. I do think. Okay, so I work in side view first. Okay, I work in side view, and also be careful of the detail. So this is cushion. You can say a little bit soft cushion. So this time I can find it from this view. I can divide by 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, divided by 3. So this one divided by 3. So roughly Okay, here 1, 2, 3. So roughly I can do this. So I just divide by 3. Divide by 3. I'm not exactly count the size. I just make divide by 3. 1, 2, 1.5. This one is better. I just use this one. Okay. See, I counted that. I have this number. Okay. And this one. And one there. I can do this. If I want an exact number. So use a compass. Typically use a compass, just working this. Okay. Here, okay. See compass? I use compass just for this. That's perfect. Give the equal size. I cannot tell you the number. Okay, yeah. So I slightly adjust that. See that? Okay, so this is making me easy. I want to keep same number. Okay, even I don't know the same number. Okay. Okay, if I have this number, okay, I can do this. From my eyeball, I have this cushion size. I can use my circle template. Take a look at, okay. So, roughly. So that's just the organic shape, make sure organic shape, okay. So this one, I have this one, circle template. Okay. Okay. Then I make a guideline. Okay. Perfect. See, barely you can see that. So I'm not confirmed yet right now. Okay. Okay. So perfect. Pretty much everything when I got it. So this time, I have a front view. Okay, cushion. So cushion is here. Cushion here. I still can do this. So let me see, from one view. By the way, I don't have a top view. So they don't have top view. That's enough. Okay, but from here, I can roughly see here, one. So here 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. See that? This number here. Same thing are working here. Maybe similar size. This one similar size. Maybe similar. So this one I use a compass to make this more easy. 1, 2, 3. Maybe size different.
Yeah, it looks like the seed is longer than it.
Yeah, seed longer than that. Seed. 1, 2, 3. Okay, seed longer. Seed longer. Okay. Here. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, so this side of it. I have this number. Okay, perfect. Here. Yep. Now, I'm working this. Circle template. Okay, circle template. Okay. Okay. Perfect. See, better see that. Okay, even later we cannot see from this view. Doesn't matter. Okay. Okay, pretty much everything. Pretty much everything. This one. So now take a look at. I'm going to add the. Okay, so maybe this one. This time I can use it. Ruler. Okay, so this is edge. Okay, edge. Okay. Vertical line. Okay. Then I use another ruler to make this edge. Here. Okay, and also, if possible, this time more if you want to make more detail, I'm going to switch to 2B. Not 2B, sorry. I use a B. B to make the outline. Okay, so I use this one. Yeah, this part a little bit more detail. Even the top, I can use a French curve. Oh, by the way, use brush. Okay, never use your hand. Okay, never use a hand, very carefully use a brush. Okay, use a brush, okay, to clean out. Okay, so circle template, okay, circle template. Okay, here. Okay. Okay, perfect. Then straight edge. Vertical line. Vertical line. Okay. Take a look at this one. This little detail. Okay. Stick out a little bit. Never ignore this detail. Okay, never ignore these details. Okay. Okay. On top. Okay. Bottom line. Okay, perfect. Okay, wrap it. Clean out. Okay, after clean out. The bottom line. Then this is B. I switch to H. H. If some detail I'm missing, I need to add it. Okay. Okay, that's pretty much everything. I get this shape. I still have this. Take a look at it. Very important. Never ignore that. We see through that. Okay, so see through that. Later, I can transfer to here. I know how to working from here. Okay, front view. Okay, we got this view. We got this view here. Then I transfer to top. Okay, then. Oh, by the way, before front view, you just use I use a 4H. 4H. You transfer. Take a look at. So right now I make this line. I know. Take a look at this spot. The back. The tufting. The detail. I see this line here. Then I'm gonna transfer to here. See? Transfer. Perfect. Then second one I find it here. See? Okay, perfect. Set my time. Okay, and this cushion is here. And also here, cushion. So here, make line, guideline. Perfect. Okay. I transfer from here to here. Okay. So I'm gonna make it text. Give me enough space for my write down text. Text I'm gonna use 1/8 inch. 1/8. 1/8. This is choose scale. Okay, choose scale. Let's see. Okay, very serious. Okay. Okay. 4H guideline. Okay. Guideline. Okay. Always guideline. Okay, so this is side view. I'm going to use a B. So this is a front, top, side. Okay. I align with this edge. Align with this edge. Okay. Side. View. Side view. And scale. Scale. So this is a 1/4, right? 0 foot, 1/2. Equal a foot. Okay. Sure, no. Got this one. Okay, see through that? See through that, I can find it. Take a look at from here. I can find easy to find the depth. See, I can see this line here. So this one until here. I can measure that. See that? Okay, so this is really important. Okay. Here's here. Perfect. I see that. Okay. Then I transfer to here. Okay, so this one helped me. If without side view, I cannot working for top view. Okay, if without. And also here. So take a look at all the way guideline until here. So this one I can find where stop. Where stop. Okay, here's here. See, I can measure that. Perfect. See that? Okay, I transfer here to here. Perfect. The back. The back I can make a one guideline. Move up. This is make sure that's 4-inch. Never use a roller, use a 4-inch one. Use a 4-inch. 4-inch. Okay, move up. Perfect. After I get a 4-inch, then I can go back to find a back. If you don't, I say the compass I'm not required to give. If you don't have compass, you have to measure that. Okay. If you have a compass, that's I would say it's more easy. See, I measure that. Perfect. See. Okay, I transfer here to here. Okay, perfect. Then 4-inch, guideline, 4-inch, transfer. 1, 2, 3, perfect. See, I got that. Okay, and also the take one here. This one, the cushion divided 1, 2, 3, 4, divided by 4, okay. Divided by 4, okay, divided by 4. So I can still use this one. I can still use this one. Okay. I'm not exactly measure this number here to here. A little bit smaller. See? Here. 1, 2. Seems good. Let's see. 1, 2, perfect. Okay. Okay, perfect. Vertical. So I got this one line here. Double check. Yeah, pretty close. Perfect. Okay, so this one here, I move up here. Here, okay. I'm working this all the way up. Okay. All the way up. Perfect. So I make this all the way up and push a little bit harder. Okay, so I transfer from front view to top view. From top view, I still can find a guideline. I find a guideline here. See? I find it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then here, slightly smooth. Okay. Okay, perfect. Yep. So here, to here, to here. Perfect. Yep. Two. Yep. Into that. Voyage. 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 Okay. Okay, perfect. And I said this one, take a look, this one stick out a little bit. Stick out just a little bit. Okay, just a little bit. Okay. You still can use this one just a little bit. Okay. But you never ignore that detail. Okay. Never ignore. Just a little. Okay. Never ignore that detail. Okay, perfect. Okay. Never ignore that detail. Okay, I said this one, simple shape, but okay, I make this guideline. So guideline all the way up. Okay, I make a guideline, great. So right here, great. And also this side, same thing. Okay. All the way up. Okay. And also cushioning here, size, I can find it from here. So this is why I make it so you can see through that. This one's here. Okay, perfect. Okay. Top here. And bottom. Okay. Keep working. And more detail, sometimes a little bit more detail. And the detail, take a look at this one. Detail. The edge, you can see. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see this edge. If you take a look at the computer, you can see more detail. So here's, I can see this edge. Okay, maybe this part is double line. I need to find it here first. Double line. Double line. Okay. Okay. So this one, I need to find elevation first. Elevation. So elevation. I need to match. I need to make sure this is power line. Okay, here. Here. Okay. Then I transfer it to here. You can see double line here. Okay, great. Then you still can see the detail, this shape. Okay, so here this is a, you can see a little bit curved shape, like this one more soft shape. See that? Okay, more soft. So more soft. I can use a guideline. I'm going to use This one. I have a circle template. See that? Okay, circle template. I can work in this one, circle template. Okay. And this one. Just a little bit. Okay. 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 So you can see curve shape. Okay, curve shape. And also this is Sam technical. I can use this one. From here you can see curve shape. And also I can transfer to here also. Transfer to here, so I need to make sure. So this one. Okay, here. So top line. I transfer to here. And also this line here. Back. Then I transferred horizontal line to here. So this is make sure transfer to here. Perfect. Okay. Okay. And also, so this one to there. This point, transfer to here, and transfer to here, you. Okay, perfect. The next step, I need to transfer the point here, this point, see? This point. Here. Okay, oh, by the way, let me see. Okay, so from here, I make this guideline, make sure I push a little bit hard. Okay, but for your guys, if you use a 4H, 5H, you don't have to push too hard. Because for demonstrating, if I'm not pushed too hard, you cannot read. Okay, so I'm not pushed too hard. Okay, so next step, I still use a French, not French curve, I use just curve template. Curve template. So this one here. Perfect. Okay, I use this one. Okay, so this one. Let me see. Okay. This is a detail. Let's get ready. Okay, see? I can see that shape. Okay, this is that shape. And also I have this one here, transfer to here. So from front of you, yeah, see, you can see this shape here. Okay, just to make it a little bit. Okay, from here, I'm gonna use the largest circle. From here, oh, I'm missing here, this one here. Okay. Okay. I use a large circle. Okay. Detail. Okay, of this shape. And one inch, yeah. See, give it 1 inch. Okay, 1 inch for the leg. 1 inch. 1 inch. Okay. 1 inch. Okay. Okay, and also the detail, you can see this detail, the edge, we can see double line, this edge, we did that, okay. So next step, I can use a borderline, I add a borderline. The outline. I use a B to add a borderline. To add a borderline, okay, outline. So this is pretty square shape. Okay, add a borderline. Make sure that's perfect straight. Okay. Detail, borderline, the edge, typical the edge, try to give it a borderline. Okay. Then horizontal line. Add this edge. Here. Later I'm go back to add the edge. Okay. Okay. Bottom line. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now you. Okay, so this much here. The detail, I need to add the details. Details somewhere. I need to add a double line. The edge. Okay. And also double line here. Double line. Here. Pushing details. So make sure do not use your finger. Okay, use a brush. Okay. So just add more details. And double line for the edge. Keep pointing your left. Point to your left, okay. Use brush, okay. And also this side. Oh, okay, but be careful. And this one here. Double line. Pushing. Now to use your finger, always not a finger, okay. More details. First, use a 4H. Okay, I got a little bit mistake. But this one I cannot apply to here, so I need to erase this part. If you keep 4H, doesn't matter. So this is a Y. If you just keep 4H, you don't have to erase. Anyway, this time. Going to add use the eraser. Erase a little bit, okay. Be careful. If you keep 4H, doesn't matter. This is just more details. Then necessary, you can go back to use template, circle template. Okay, perfect. So the template, and also I keep working here. Okay, add a shape. This part is same thing, this part, okay. Detail. Okay. Next step, I use Straightedge. Just add a little bit more detail, freehand. Okay. Just a 4H. Mixed with the freehand. Okay. Just freehand add a little bit. Okay, freehand. Okay, top view, the top view just like this, top view. Okay, yeah. Just add a little bit more details. I use a H. Okay. Top view, we cannot see too many the perspective line. Okay, if necessary, it's depend on. I try to make a more bold line. Okay, or before I make a bold line, I can make a text first. 4H guideline. I always have a guideline first. Guideline. 4H guideline. Text. 4H. Okay. Guideline. B. I'm going to write down text. Write down text to make sure to protect your drawing. Protect your drawing. Use one piece of paper. Put it here. Okay. Never make your drawing dirty. Use one sheet here. I'm going to use this as top view. Okay, top view, this is side, front view. Okay, top view, front view, side view, overall outline. I want to move. But make sure you use 4B sometimes, very soft. It's be careful, it will very easy to smear. 4B, okay? Be careful. Make an outline. Border. See border. Let's read it better for demonstrate, okay? Border. And this one. And this part, I use the circle template. Circle template. Okay. Filter. Then use a brush, always a brush, okay? Do not use your finger, make sure. Okay. Here. Over the line. Base. Okay. And also somewhere I use a depending on object, somewhere I use a French curve. Okay, French curve. And here, detail. Okay. So you just add more details.